It's time for the ultimate coleslaw challenge. Aldi's versus KFC. Which is better? Let's check them both out together right now. All right, listen, the internet is going wild about Aldi's coleslaw. They're saying it is the best thing you ever put in your mouth. That's what they said. Is it really better than the GOAT of coleslaw, KFC, where I'm at right now to do this comparison test, to do this throwdown, the coleslaw throwdown? Well, you know, listen, I'm Sonny from Centerviews, by the way. Thanks. Nice to meet you. What do? I see it, smell it, taste it, and rate it. And I will go anywhere for the best coleslaw. I will go to any city. I'll go to any state. I'll go to any country. I'll go to any planet. I'll go to Mars. I'll go to Venus. I'll even go to Uranus. All right, let's try this. By the way, this big giant vat of coleslaw cost about $3.50. This little itty bitty thing from KFC, about $2.50. Just saying, you really get your money's worth here at Aldi's, if it's good. But if it's no good, I don't care how much it is. I'm not eating it if it's no good, even if it's free. Now, this is a KFC fork spoon. Spork, I think they call it. I think you can only get these at KFC. Maybe it's their own exclusive thing. All right, here we go. Okay, we are open for business. Now, one of the things about the KFC coleslaw that I've always loved is that it's really creamy. It's one of the creamiest coleslaws out there and very sweet. Now, this guy here, cabbage, mayonnaise. What else you got in here? Mustard. Wow, all kinds of stuff in here. Water, sugar. Anyway, I don't even want to know. Let's just try it and see if it's any good. Let's get to the mushy part here, the wetty part here, the creamy part here. All right, here we go. Look how creamy this is. This is some creamy coleslaw. All right, here we go. Ready? Cheers. It's crunchy and fresh, sweet. It's pretty good. Now, what I consider to be the greatest of all time coleslaws right here. KFC. See, KFC, I'm not making this up. I came all the way here just to do this throwdown to see if, in fact, KFC is better than Aldi's, or is Aldi's better than KFC? We won't know until we try it. And the only way to try it is side by side. You can't do it by memory. You can't say, oh, I tried this Aldi's the other day and it tasted okay. Now I'm trying it at KFC. No, you have to do them side by side. That's a requirement. If you're gonna be in the food review business, you better be prepared. You better be prepared to go side by side. Otherwise, game over. You can't do this. Here we go. KFC coleslaw. Now, I do notice some differences just in looking at them. KFC has some green schmutz in here. Not exactly sure what that is. It could be cabbage, it could be lettuce. Could be lettuce, I'm not sure. They also have carrots. Aldi's has bigger carrots. KFC's is a little more chopped up, more finely chopped. Also, you can see very liquidy at the bottom here. This is good stuff. Side by side here, you could see the pieces do seem bigger at Aldi's versus KFC. Can you see? I can see. Much bigger pieces of carrots. The carrot pieces are extremely much bigger. They're like 3 times the size. To the bottom here, where the liquidy part is. I'm getting the mustard. I do get that mustard taste in the Aldi's. I'm not getting that mustard taste in KFC. I gotta tell you, this is pretty close. I think the KFC is a little sweeter and a little more familiar, because I've had it for, forever. Aldi's is really good though. It's like a hearty, almost homemade style coleslaw. I mean, if you were serving this at a family Sunday barbecue, people would eat this stuff up. They'd be like, this is really good coleslaw. I think the combination of the mustard and the sweetness makes it a very unique coleslaw. I think that the KFC is very good. A little bit sweeter. Fantastic. But the Aldi's tastes a little more like homemade. Wow, I didn't think I liked coleslaw this much, but I do. Okay, I gotta stop because I literally could eat both of these without any problem. The KFC is awesome, awesome sauce. It's really good. It's just got a nice, unique, sweet flavor, very finely chopped up. It is fantastic. I'm gonna give it a 7.7 out of 10. Aldi's is also extremely good, but it has a different taste to it and a different texture because it is more, I'm considering this more like homemade. And I think it's the mustard that's just giving it a little of the edge. Combined with the sweetness, this stuff is really good. The internet is right for a change. This is really good. It actually, I think, is a little bit better than KFC. It's got a little bit different to it than KFC. It's a little, a little zingier because of the mustard. It's got the sweetness. It's got the nice chop to it. It just works. I'm going to give it a 7.8 out of 10. All right, guys, let me know what you think. But this one, to me, is the winner. If we have to, they're both very good. But if I have to declare a winner, I'm going to give it to Aldi's. Aldi's coleslaw, and the value, of course, for $3.50. I mean, you'd have to spend like $25 in coleslaw at KFC. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I really do appreciate you watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because lots more reviews coming up. Later, Gator.